The official launch of the OnePlus Nord CE4 is taking place in India on April 1st at 6:30 p.m. local time. In the box, OnePlus offers a charger, a Type-A to Type-C charging cable and a rather premium-looking soft case. The OnePlus Nord CE4 introduces a unique design aesthetic not previously seen in OnePlus devices. OnePlus Nord CE4 will be available in celadon marble and dark chrome colors. We can see a center position punch hole cut out for the selfie shooter, flat edges, and narrow bezels. The volume rocker and power button are on the right side. The display is a 6.74-inch screen AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, with an optical fingerprint sensor with dual stereo speaker. The handset will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 SoC paired with Adreno GPU for graphics. With 8GB LPDDR4X RAM plus 8GB expansion RAM and up to 256GB of UFS 3.1 storage, it will likely run Android 14-based Oxygen OS 14 out of the box. On the rear, it is featuring a 50-megapixel primary sensor and an 8-megapixel sensor. It could get a 16-megapixel front camera. It's powered by 5,000 mAh battery with support for 100W AST charging for a claimed day's power in 15 minutes. The next generation model is also expected to be priced under 26,000 rupees to 30,000 in India. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.